everyone, I'm back and today I'm gonna teach you how to play But I Can't Help Falling in Love with You. So before, it has been a few years since I played this, since I stopped my career. Yeah. But for now, let's do our strumming pattern. It's just gonna be so easy. Okay, our strumming pattern would just be like this. Down, 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 down. And our chords would just be super simple. We have C, G, A, F, yeah. So let's try doing it very slowly. We'll start with C, Y, G, man, A minor, say F, only fools, C, rush, G, N, F, but I, G, can't see, help, F, falling in love, C, G, with you. So let's try that. Wise men say only fools rush in, but I can't help falling in love with you. So, if you are a beginner, you can try this song. For me, this is the easiest song I've played since I was kinder. But now I'm already grade 4. Yeah. So, we'll see you in the next video. Bye!